So we're making the sky for the background of our flowers and our honeycomb.
Cut a hole and it will go.
No, that's pink. Ooh, that's a beautiful sky. I think I see a sunset.
No.
No, maybe you could add some colors of sunsets like oranges and yellows.
No.
Hey sis, how's your painting going, sis?
Good.
Good. Ooh, are those clouds? Love them. It's a cloudy day in that sky, huh? That's an interesting idea. What are you doing? You're gonna put
Clouds.
rose petals on it?
Yeah,
To make, oh yeah, so you pick the white petals from the roses? Wow, that's creative.
Ow. Can you use it?
Yeah, you can use that. Don't lick it. Okay, so we have our petals to make and our flowers.
Why am I missing 4 flowers?
He's choosing to. Do you want to do that too? Keep using this yellow, okay?
I'm using these as the clouds, right?
Mm-hmm. That's a very creative idea. I didn't think about that. Oh, that's beautiful, Mace.
Hey, I want some flowers too.
Okay, sis, you can. So use paint.
Wasn't this an awesome idea to do?
Mm-hmm.
I did want to paint.
You need to spread your paint all the way around.
How do you think mine looks?
I think yours looks beautiful.
Like, how do you think Haley looks?
I think Haley's looks beautiful as well.
It looks like the undersea.
Oh yeah, it does. It's beautiful. We can have under the sea bees.
They can't breathe under the sea.
Can you show yours? Can you show what you did? Oh, and explain it.
I put flower petals on for the clouds.
And what's the blue?
The blue is the background.
The sky.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And mine must want to scribble one. And if someone stops me, beautiful. If someone breathes underwater, I can't breathe because can't talk.
Yeah, they can't breathe because they can't talk underwater?
No.
I think it's the other way around. They can't talk because they can't breathe. Okay.
Mama,
Yeah?
give me the paint.
Okay. You're going to pick some flowers. Here you go. Can you hand her hers, please? Okay, we're going to take a break after this. And we're going to clean up the table, get the paint away. And then we're going to start the next step.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we cuddle on the couch when we're waiting?
Who, me and you? But I need to clean it up. We can. You two can cuddle on the couch.
Yeah, but we want to play a game.
What game?
On your phone.
Oh, okay. Okay. What are we working on now? Huh? Are we seeing?
Huh.
What are we working on now? Are we gluing on the cut up toilet paper rolls so that they're like the home of a beehive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let me hold it for you. Do you want to hold it and I put the glue on?
No, you hold it.
Okay, so make sure you're just doing the edge, okay?
I will try my best.
This is hard, huh? Whoa! Okay, that's enough. So maybe we change our approach, huh?
I do it.
I think that one's easier for mommy to do. Let's get a paintbrush and paint glue on. What do you think about that idea?
Mm-hmm.
That's easier? That's enough. Okay? Oops, that's enough. Sit down in your chair, please. Right here. Right next to mommy. Okay, look. Take your paint, your paintbrush, and then just paint
You
real...
got on me.
Sorry, real thick right here. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Or, actually, okay, let's try this. Paint it right here. Yeah, that's easier, huh? Keep painting. Just get the edge of it. You just want this part right here because that's where it's going to connect to the paper.
Yeah, but I did it how I want. I did it how you did it.
Yeah. Perfect. Now, where do you want to put it?
Right there.
Right here?
Mhm.
Okay, and push it down. Now, what if you just paint it when it's on the plate like that? Or another option is you just dip it.
Yeah.
Maybe dipping's easier.
Okay, dipping's going to be it.
Okay, let's watch you do that. So what are you doing?
I'm dipping it in.
And then what are you going to do?
I'm gonna put it there because I'm making honeycomb. Then I put some more glue on it, then not enough.
Start again. Perfect. Oh, it's looking real good. Okay, keep going. You have a couple more to do. Now, leave some room for your flower over here, okay? So build this way. And then we'll put our flower here.
Why doesn't Hailey get to put both two on?
She will.
2 flowers?
No, just one. We each only get one.
Why?
That's all we have room for. We can make flowers on other things, okay?
How about we make this will be like a hill where bees will go inside of and bees are on the and flowers are on them.
So we're gonna have a flower right here for the bees to get the pollen over to their comb.
For real?
From the honeycomb. Well, we're gonna pretend. So put more honeycomb right there.
Could we draw bees?
Yeah, keep building your hive over here, okay?
She got glued. Ow!
Who got glued? Oh, Elsa and Anna?
Look at her eye.
Oh no. Good call. Bringing it up. The glue's easier on the plate, huh? That's good to know. There we go. Glue on plate to dip is the better decision. Huh. Makes it way easier for us. Okay, last one. Okay, do you want to start working on your flower?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's get Sissy over here.
Hailey, we put the stems.
Yeah, that one's yours. We're not going to have stems probably. Okay, so we each get one.
I want to cut stems.
This is the pollen, or the middle of the flower where the pollen is, okay? So there's Sissy's, and here's Mason's. Then each grab a couple petals. Grab yourself some petals, maybe 5, 6. Okay? That's good on the glue.
Mason, give me some.
So I'm going to get you a paintbrush too, Sissy. So you're going to take the glue, you're each going to paint your leaf, right, your petal right here. Okay, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Paint your petal, and then you're going to stick it on here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to have you do that after, but that's okay. Why don't you do that after, because we'll see how big our flower is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it like this, and then the back, we'll flip it over so you look like that, okay?
Oh, it will go like this. It will go on the back.
Yeah. Okay, so hold on. Oh, no, just the back, and then we're going to put it down. Hold on. Get it all over the back of it, right there, up until here, okay?
No.
Nope, just here.
One already sticked.
Okay, now take it off, sis.
One already sticked.
Now where's your pollen, sis? Your middle of your flower. Is this yours right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so sis, push that down. And then look, we're gonna flip it over, and that's the first petal of our flower. Okay, get another petal. Remember, just the bottom half, this part right here. Keep going, Mace. You're doing great. You want red or you want pink?
I want it to
Ooh,
go
sis,
like that.
nice. Now get a little bit up here.
Then I want it to go like that.
And then over here. Okay. Just remember we have to share, okay?
So it's beautiful.
Okay, now sis, where are you gonna put this? Push it down right here. Push it, push it, push it on the back. Push the back. Put your hand. Ah, there we go. Now get another petal. You want pink or red? What do? Push down, down, down. Push down, down, down. Perfect. Now
My next ribbon.
next red one. I can always cut more, Mace, if you need.
I need two.
Mason, that's a smart idea. You're putting the glue on the yellow part instead of the flower, huh? Oops, oopsies, those are Masons. Those are Masons.
He says, she says,
Oops,
he
let's
likes
get you
it.
the red one first. I think you took one of your sisters.
I didn't.
Do I need to cut more?
Yeah.
Flower.
Look at my pretty flower.
Now what's this yellow part gonna be? Is that gonna be the pollen?
Look at mine.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, Mace!
Mine is pollen.
And you're just gonna have pollen. Now where do we put your flower on your page?
Right there.
Right there? Okay, so get the glue. We need to put the glue all over the back. Can you do that?
Could I do that too?
On yours? Did you already do it?
No.
Yep, yeah, go ahead and do that. You want to show them your flower and tell them what you think about how come you only did part of it?
I did part of it so there was more room.
So there's more room, so when you stick it on, it fits better. Right? Because it's a big flower. That's cool. Okay, go ahead and glue yours on, Mace.
Okay. I'm gonna put glue mine on.
Woohoo, sis!
I love my picture. I want to hang it in my mama.
You love your picture and you want to hang it in your room tomorrow? Cool. Okay, okay, I'm going to show everyone your picture. This is Hailey's.
And this is
She
mine.
has her flower and her honeycomb, or the beehive is going to be.
Look at
I'm
mine.
going to look at yours in a second. See how pretty that is? And go ahead, Mason, show everyone yours. Oh, I love that. And you even added all the individual pollens. Okay, show it to the camera so we can see. Look at this one. Now, tell us everything you have on here.
I have the flower, the clouds, the pole, and the honeycomb. Goodbye.
Okay, we're going to let our beehive dry with all that glue on it, and then we're going to come back and do something fun with it. See you later. Tell us what we're making again.
I'm making bees because it's okay.
Because it's okay?
It's just you tear your sisters and daddies.
Okay.
It's okay, but remember,
So,
that you will be meaning and you can't make a bee.
okay, what's this?
Head.
That's the bee's body. Okay? Get your bee body.
Mama!
You turn your bee body, and we're going to put our wings. The round is the body.
Now I can put this on.
Here's your bee wings.
What you can do? Where is mine?
Did it fall?
Mama,
Here's your wings.
What Mama can do, Mama? Did I go this? Did I go this, Mama?
Yeah, Sissy, you glue that. Here you go. Mace. Here's your body. Okay, so you glue that, and you're going to put more.
Like this?
Well, first we're doing the wings, babe. So glue the wings on. Get some more glue on it, sis. A little bit more right here. Do you need more glue, Mace? Perfect. Now we're going to stick it on here like that. Stick, push, push, push. Push, push, push. Okay. And then put it this area. Mace, do you want more glue?
No.
Oopsies. We had an accident. Yep, all over here. Okay, now put it on this side.
Mama,
Like,
my foot was.
okay. Put it down. Oh, yep, this side down. Push, push, push. Ooh, Mace. Okay, now that's the back of the bee. Okay, so this is the front of the bee. Okay.
This is like a broken bone.
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay, so now we're gonna do, before we do the eyes, we can do
Thank you, Mama. The stripes.
the stripes.
Thank you, Mama, closing the windows.
You're welcome, baby. Okay.
Cause somebody
Stripes.
see my face.
Hey, that's not funny.
She, I hate my sister.
Mason?
No, cause my brother hate me.
No, your brother does not hate you.
I do.
Mason, how would you feel if your sister said that to you?
That's sad.
Yeah.
It just said no. Give me some more glue, please.
So here are your 3 stripes each, okay?
Do we glue them?
Yep.
Kitty!
Yep, kitty's out. Okay, so you glue them. So I'll hold it, you glue it. Put glue over the whole thing. Okay, Mason, we're going to put glue over the whole back of it, okay? Perfect, sis. Now we're going to take
Now
it.
you need to stick it. Okay.
Yeah, let's take some of that glue off the front so it doesn't get all sticky stick. Okay, now Mama's going to cut some of it down, okay? So let's glue it on. Where are my scissors? Okay, I'm going to trim them. I could have done this before, but I didn't know which side we were going to use.
Mama,
Yeah?
can I trim this time?
Yep, put it on. So put it right here, sis.
I just said kitty.
Right there. Same length, wait, oops. Like right below that one. So you're going to give it space. And then push it down. And then make another one. Mason, you want me to trim yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, actually, no.
I can trim it when you're done if you want.
I don't want you to.
Okay.
Eyeballs.
Your eyebrow fell?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have one more stripe to do. Okay.
What?
What?
Kitty?
Kitty.
Kitty, quiet.
She's just talking to us.
You know kitty can talk.
Okay. Now, go ahead and lay that down here, this area right here. Yeah, perfect, sis. Tap, tap, tap. Now I'll trim it up. Ooh, nice, Mies.
Oh, my eye.
Where did your eye go, baby?
On the ground.
It's on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll get it for you. Okay.
So why?
Ooh, Mace, isn't that looking good? Look at Mason's and Hailey's. Okay, sis, where is yours on the ground?
Mine is down to
I don't know where it went. I don't see it, babe. Oh, I see it. Okay, the last step is the eyeballs, okay? So we're not ready for them yet.
Mm-hmm.
So now we need, when you're, oh, did you already put your eyeballs on? Okay. So what we need now is the stinger. Who knows where the stinger goes?
And the butt.
On the butt. And this
Butt?
is the butt.
Ew.
Ew. So we're going to put it on the back of the butt
Look
like that.
what I do. I just.
So let's show.
Watch it. I just do this.
So there's our bee so far.
I did that.
Okay, now Hailey, can you put a little bit of glue
Where is it?
right here? Your stinger, Mace? I think I handed it to you. Did I not?
No. There we go.
Well, then I don't know where your stinger went.
We don't want the one.
Check under that glue bottle. Sis, put the big fat side on the bottom, okay? So Mace, look, you put it on the back like this. Okay, sis? Push it down.
But
And then we have 2 more things to do. Our antennas. And then our eyes. So let's do our antennas. So, glue, glue, glue. Just to here, okay? Just a little bit on that part right there.
where do you put them?
They'll go on the back.
Next to the eyes.
Up on the top of the head.
Ew.
Okay. Now, Sissy, one more. What happened?
Okay.
Ew. Ew. Okay, one more.
Push.
Yep, push, push. Now put glue on here. Just this part right here, okay? Now tappy tap, get some more glue on there. Tap, tap, glue, glue. Perfect. Now,
You need to put them.
right here, can you push it for me? Woohoo! Push it! So now let's show them our bees.
I made some feet
Ooh.
instead.
Oh, Mason is creative. Okay,
Eyes now.
eyes now. Where do you want your eyes?
Get me some extra
Up here?
antennas for other antennas.
1 eyeball, 2 eyeball.
Mommy, you're not even
I am listening. I'm going to make you extra antennas right now. Whoa! Sissy, that's so cute! Okay, yeah.
Okay, everybody.
Look at everybody.
Is
Oh,
my bee cute?
isn't your bee cute? What color is the eyeballs? What color are your eyeballs?
Pink. I want to make another bee.
Oh, we only have one for right now, okay? But we're going to show them that it goes with another craft, right? Here you go, Mace. There are your 2 things.
I like my pea, Mama.
So look, your bee's gonna visit your flower,
Yeah, I know.
right?
Bee.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
I'm winning my castle.
Yeah, you winning your castle? What does he do? Oh, is he sleeping on the flower? Okay, so what are you looking for, baby?
My other antenna.
You lost your other antenna? Okay, let's see if we can find it. Or
Good
he
night.
got you another one.
Good night. Have a good nap.
I'll cut you another one, okay?
Mama, I want to cut another one.
Okay, well, we're not making another bee, but
I want to make an elephant.
you want to make an elephant? Maybe in a minute.
I want to make an elephant.
So, I'm going to show you what we're going to do.
Bee.
I'm going to cut out
Buzz,
finger
buzz.
holes.
No, I was. Are you making antennas for me?
Here's your antenna.
Oh.
Whoa, that's right. Okay. Oh, you're be sleeping? Wake up, bee. It's time to work. Okay, so Sissy, do you think that...
Mama, where the fish right there?
What, do you think that if I make finger holes, you can...
No!
You
I
don't-
want to keep on that.
whole time. Oh, are you going to glue him there? And that's where he's going to live? Okay, that's different than what I was thinking, but you can do that.
Give me mine.
Here we go.
Please.
Oh, lovely.
Give me mine.
Okay, show the camera what you did.
This is what I did. You see it? Yeah, and this is my bee. Look at mine. And I'm gonna glue it on. Hey.
You're going to glue it on too?
This is my bee.
Okay, so that's fine.
I want to make an elephant now.
So now what we're going to do, once we're done gluing, I'm going to show you something. We're going to take little balls of like cotton, and we're going to pile them up on our bee, and then we're going to transfer them to the honeycomb.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama said good night, bee.
Good night, bee. Say good night, bee.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to take pollen.
So look at it's like flying away, and the bee, the stinger it's going.
Right, so the pollen's going to get stuck on the bee, and the bee's going to go back to the honeycomb, the hive, and it's going to put pollen. Oh, you don't need to glue it, baby. It's going to put pollen into the hive. You guys want to glue it? Yeah? Okay, here you go. You can glue it. So my idea was it would be an activity where we could work on our grabbing skills for Hailey. And then we could put in numbers here where it says 1 + 1, and then Mason could put that many things in it. Okay? But they just want to glue it. So that's what they're going to do. They're going to transfer their honey, pollen, right? Their pollen from their flower, because it got stuck on the bee's body when the bee was sleeping on the flower, huh? And then it's going into the hive, inside the honeycomb, right? The bee's going to transfer it into the hive.
I'm scared. I think so. I can take them off. Because I'm going to have some...
Oh, he's sleeping, but you got to leave him there. Remember, you glued him down. You're going to rip him. Oh, ooh, lucky it didn't rip. But look, you started ripping the wings. You got to leave it once you glue it, okay? There we go. He's off.
Now, with him he's going to fly good away.
He's flying away. What if he carries, what if you put honey pollen on his back and then you make it fly it into the honeycomb? That's fun.
No.
Okay.
Buddy.
Buddy. Not tired, bee.
Buzz.
Oh, not tired, bee. Can you sit down, please?
Buzz. Hello, boys and girls. I have a big flying. Every day, because he goes to bed every day. Okay,
You just
goodbye,
want the big
boys
ones?
and girls.
I can get you the big cotton. cotton balls. Okay.
What's hands
Hailey, I have an idea for you. Take the big cotton balls and try to transfer them into the hive. Like this. Whoop. Where is it going to go?
In a honey bowl.
One honey ball at a time. Oh, you have too many honey balls.
I need some more.
Oh.
I need some more quick. That's not enough.
Sit down, please. I don't want you to fall. Okay, Mace, that's not a nice way to speak to me.
Oh. Mommy, could you get a little more?
That was much better, thank you.
Ooh.
There you go. Make sure you get lots of glue in there so it sticks.
Can you see? No. Can you see now? Hi, boys and girls. My friend, where is the prince? That looks awesome.
Oh, let's show the camera. You ready? Here.
No, sister.
Okay, there you go, Mace. Show it. Explain what it is.
It's putting the nectar into the hive to make honey.
Yeah.
It's a sisters, a sister song, culture, where the sun, where the girl, when her